Hi, today we're gonna make chicken wing with mixed vegetable. So we're gonna use around 2 pounds of a wing. I'll show you how to cut it, and we cut the tip, the chicken, the little tip off, and cut that to 2 pieces. And also you want to slide it a couple times on on the other side, on the inside the wing, this side, like this side of the wing. Okay, cut a two cut in the each wing, and the little drumstick area you cut it one cut to kind of open it up a little bit, so that's easy to cook. Then another piece here, and you cut a one cut in the drumstick area like that, kind of open up a little bit, and you cut the little tip off, and cut it 2 times on this side, on the inside. Okay, and that's it. Then so we're gonna put it in here, and we're gonna marinate them with little salt. Just sprinkle some little bit salt on it, and little salt, and little black pepper, and also a little bit sesame seed oil. With just a little bit of cornstarch in it, just a real small, just a little bit, just couple teaspoons, almost little amount in it. We're gonna put some oil in it, any kind of oil. All right. Okay, then now we're gonna put the chicken wing in it. You just need to kind of brown it up. You don't have to be completely cooked, you know. So we're gonna cook it more later. So after they turn brown up, and you turn it over, just like that. Yeah, it's done pretty good. I think that's done good enough. And so we're gonna cook with some vegetable in it, and we're going to have some ginger to put it in there. So right now we're gonna put some ginger in it, and some onion, and a couple pieces of carrot, cut it to pieces like that, and onion like that, half the onion, and some cut up celery, and around two potatoes cut up like that. Then you start putting a teaspoon of garlic. Then you put the onions in it right now. Put the onions in it. After they brown it a little bit, then you put the other stuff in it. You just turn them a little bit, kind of make them kind of fry them up. Every one of them have a chance to cook it, you know, kind of browning them a little bit. Then after that, we're gonna put some cooking wines in it. There's a Chiltern cooking wine, couple, 2 tablespoons of a cooking wine, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, And I'm gonna put 3 teaspoons of sugar in it. So I use rock sugar or any kind of sugar. Be okay. So I can put 3 of them, 3 teaspoons in it. Okay, then we're gonna put cup and half water in it, and enough to at least cover half of the halfway up. It's about, you can see that it's about almost 80%, covered. Then so we cover them up. So around 20 minutes. Okay, then now it's around 10 minutes. So we have to open it up and check it. Turn them a little bit. Turn them over. Then you turn the heat down to medium. Turn it down just medium, a little bit down. Then so you don't want it too high heat for other 10 minutes. Okay. That's it. Okay, this is around 20 minutes altogether, So it should be ready. You punch in and you go in, so it cook. Put a oyster sauce in it, like 2 tablespoons oyster sauce and a little bit of pepper. Then some sesame seed oil right now, about 1 tablespoon. Okay, I think that's about done. And put some green onions in there. Oh, and you turn up the heat, so you try to dry up the sauce, kind of thickening the sauce. Before the like 20 minutes, if they get too dry, you just add some water into it. So don't make them, dry up. They will burn the balance. See? But now you want to but now it's just right. So you want to thicken the sauce so you can see the sauce driving up with higher heat. So we turn it off and we can put it on the plate. This is chicken wing cooked with mixed vegetable.